Here are all the accessories we need to assemble. One is a central control bracket and an LVDS adapter board, and the screws we have to assemble. Now remove us from the car. This original car screen we put for screws. Remove the 4 screws of the back cover. Take off the back cover. Okay, then take out this overlay. Take it out and unplug the cables of the original car. Pull the main board from the main board of the original car. Then the screen of the original car is no longer needed. You can put it aside. Then remove this from the original car, this hardware main board. After the hardware motherboard is taken off, the 3 screws to be fixed are fixed. We need to fix the screw into this one, to the main board of the original car. Then put these 3 screws. Disassemble the 3 screws inside. Okay, and then put the 3 copper pillars we matched. Fix it up. Well, then in our LVDS small board cable, match the cables on the main board of the original car. Pay attention to this buckle on both sides. Be sure to aim at this one in the original car slot and then press it down. Well, put our little board again. Fix it up. Just use the 3 screws removed from the original car. Just fix it back. Okay, then put our base. Base discovery base take out. Then put our. The LVDS cable goes through this hole. Right. Put this hardware in after wearing it. Fix it up. Using the 4 screws we matched. That's it. Then the assembly is complete. Then put our. The power cord and GPS antenna come out of this position. After that, fix it to our navigation. Then fix this to the original machine first. After the central control screw is locked, it will be installed as a whole. After the installation is completed, buckle our screen. Just go.